Welcome back if you're returning, and if you haven't been here before, welcome in general. I've done some 3D printing and working on a truck camper, if you will, and let's kind of talk about how they can kind of go together and what's been keeping me busy the last couple weeks. So stick around, let's see. I'm Ron and this is my place. So basically the thing that's been keeping me occupied, busy, whatever you want to call it, is I'm getting ready to go camping, taking a little break, and I've been building out my truck camper or my truck topper so I can camp in it. It's kept me busy. It's turned into a little bit more. Originally it was just going to be a cot, and everything kind of got bigger, and I think I'll probably take you out there and take a look. But one of the things that I had to deal with, or I wanted to talk about, was some brackets I made. So I wanted to show you kind of where they went and what's going on with them. So close your eyes. When you open them, we'll be outside. So we made it outside. Glad you opened your eyes and didn't fall over. So it's going to be a quick, simple video. I just wanted to talk about the clamps I printed. And it's a little bit dark, so hopefully I'll be able to bump that up a little bit in post. But there's just these simple clamps that I made that aren't hard. They were easy to design, but it was yet another practical print. So one of the things I wanted to show you was what kind of went on with it. As you can see, this was something I made for my camper, this whole power console, if you will, but I needed to take the inverter and hang it, so I wanted to put some brackets. Well, as you can notice, as you can see, it was bowed a little bit, so it wasn't quite lining up straight, and as you can really see that there was some breakage because it was just too thin. So what I've done is I've created a lot better fit, and it's thicker, so it's going to mount better and hold it and not break. And it's made out of PETG. So that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to show. Another practical print. It really is minimal to do with 3D printing. But it is what it is. Just wanted to show you what I've been doing, and I'll show you all the way. Let's see. So this is kind of the cot that I've made that'll have a pad on top of it, and then this is the power center that's got some charging to it, a light that'll come on and off, and then of course the inverter, and then it's all plumbed in for solar as well for while I'm camping. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Print everything you can.